Main track number 2, eastbound. We're about milepost 75 here. LPG here, liquefied petroleum gas. A little bit of everything here. Got some sand hoppers. Got a cameo style center beam lumber car. Nice dog train. It's going from Watson Yard to Barstow. Look how that coupler on that auto rack and tank car don't line up very well. Auto rack's way higher. Has some beautiful power up top. Had a nice Warbonnet. And an H2, and I think a couple GEVOs. I'll check it to make sure. C-Mix. I see these by the cement factory quite often. A couple empty bare tables. And one last LPG, it looks like. Alright, cool. Flashing Freddy on the back. That's the orange device. All right, that's cool. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Everything helps. Check us out on Patreon. Love to see your pledge. Keep us going strong. All right, you guys. Love you. And thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We will catch you on the next one. Cajon Pass, Railroad fans, hope you're all doing great. Buddy, our executive producer, wants to let you know that all Super Chat, Super Thanks, channel members, and Patreon members are all now Buddy's special assistant producers. That's right, he loves you guys. You too can become one of Buddy's special assistants. Just contribute today, and you will find your name scrolled at the end of every video. All right, you guys. You know what to do. Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right, buddy? All right. Take care, you guys. Love you.